So today I'm gonna box this.
What's that?
A Ryu amiibo.
Okay,
Or you
go
can
ahead,
say
box
Ryu.
that.
Or you can say Ryu.
Oh, but I don't know if it's gonna work for the Super Smash Bros. For Wii U. Well, let's see.
Okay, go.
After that, I'm gonna unbox the
Don't-
3DS amiibos.
Ginamax it, Dad.
Okay. Okay, I'm good at unboxing amiibos out of their
But
box.
don't drop it, Elijah.
Maybe I should start my deck. Yeah.
Ryu's not Nintendo. And Sonic.
Okay.
Hurry, it's 6:34.
Almost unboxed it.
I'm gonna help.
There we go. The amiibo.
Okay, show it to the
Viewer.
YouTube viewer.
Here, can I hold it? Can I see
And,
this?
and then we're gonna unbox this later.
Okay.
Cool amiibo.